In a continuation from the last video I created on November 17 last year, I showed you how to create a Clickbank account in Kenya. And I told you that in the next coming video, I'll show you how to link your Payoneer account and your Clickbank account as an avenue of getting your payment. Now, before we continue, I believe now you have already created your Clickbank account from the method I showed you, and with this video I'm going to show you how you're going to link your Clickbank account with your Payoneer account. First of all, log into your Clickbank account. Head over to your dashboard, click on your nickname, then go ahead. Remember, this is not my real account. I created this video for demo or for education purposes only. Now go ahead to your account settings, scroll down all the way to your payment information. On your payment information, on your top right corner, you can see the word edit. Click on it. Now I want you to change one or two things here. First of all, let's change the payment threshold to $10. Then our payment method, click on direct deposit. Now this is where you are going to connect your Clickbank account with your Payoneer. Now go ahead to your Payoneer. I've already opened a Payoneer demo account for this video. Now go ahead on my description, there's a link and it will direct you on how to create a Payoneer account. Now once you are there, I believe you'll find yourself on this page, home page. Now to start, I want you to go to receive. Go to receive tab and click on global payment service. Once you are under global payment service, we have got 3 approved accounts: USA, UK and Eurozone. In this case, you are going to choose UK. Remember, on the previous video I created on how to create a Clickbank account, I told you make sure that your Clickbank account is based in UK, and I said there's a reason for choosing UK rather than USA. So in this case, let's click on UK, and here we are. You're going to be directed under UK. You have the bank name, you have the sort code, account number and beneficiary name. In this case, I click on the bank name, copy, go ahead to your direct deposit information, and mark you. Remember, when opening your Clickbank account, make sure that your IP checker is saying that you're in UK. Remember, every time you open your Clickbank account, you must have opened your VPN. In this case, my VPN tells me that I'm currently connected in UK, as I had created this Clickbank account under UK IP address. Now remember, I had chosen bank country, we said is in UK, so click here, you say United Kingdom. Bank city, of course, choose London. Then bank name, remember you have just copied, it's Barclays. Now go back to your sort code, click on the sort code and choose, click here sort code, copy it and paste it here. Again, you have the account number, click here and paste it here, and you're good to go. Once you have done that, make sure that your account type is checking, not savings. Then you submit the save changes. Once you have finished doing so, click the save changes. Then a pop-up will appear above your screen and says, please make sure your payment information is correct. failure to provide correct information results in deposit failure and payment being sent via check. Just say okay. In this case, once you are done, and you're good to go. Again, there's a pop-up that will appear on top of your account that says changes to your payment method are awaiting approval. So you have to approve that you are the one who have changed the payment method that you have just done. So in this case, you go back to your account email, the email you created with this account, the Clickbank account, and then make sure that you verify or you approve that you are the one who have changed the account in the last few seconds ago. Now once you have done that, now that is one part. As I had forgot to say that there are two ways, there are only two things that you need to do when you are connecting your your Payoneer account and your Clickbank account. One is the receiving end, and another one is the withdrawing end. Now you have just finished the receiving end. Now let's go back now on how to withdraw your money once you receive them from Payoneer to your local bank account. In this case, go to make a payment, go to pay tab and click make a payment. Once you are under make a payment, go to recipient's bank account, and maybe I forgot to say, make sure that your Payoneer account, you fill in your real names. Make sure that you do not use a VPN when you are creating a Payoneer account in your country. Add your bank details. Now let's add our bank account. We have personal or business. Choose personal. Bank country is Kenya. Select bank account. Select bank account currency. Then click on next. Now we have recipient details. Recipient details are your details, remember, on your local bank account. So here you put your real number, your phone number, your email address, your street number. More address details is optional, you can opt it out. Then you have city, town, Nairobi, postal zip code, and country. Remember, make sure it's Kenya. If you are in another country, it will appear, you will have your own flag here. Then who does the bank account belong to? So in this case, choose it's me or my company. Then why are you sending the funds to the account? Say it's I'm paying myself or my company. Then once you're done that, click on next. From here, I think you can familiarize yourself with these banks that I'm seeing here. We have Bank of Africa, Bank of Baroda, Caritas Microfinance Bank Limited, that is related with Catholic, and other banks. You can scroll and see all the banks that you want to connect with. In this case, I prefer connecting with KCB or Equity. Let me choose Equity Bank Kenya. Then we have the bank holder name. Feed in your name, of course, and the bank code. Remember, it's a 5-digit. So I want you to go to Google and type Equity Bank code, Gikomba branch. Now Gikomba branch, I'm just saying because it's my mother bank. So you have to choose your mother bank. A mother bank is the bank that you first opened your account with. It could be yes Equity, but why did you open your mother branch? Is it in Gikomba? Is it in Kayole? Is it in Y? Is it in Joska, and so forth? So in this case, actually mine is not in Gikomba, mine is in Kayole. So, and as you can see, we have, it's a 5-digit number. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Fill in your account number. And then you're good to go. So I'm going to hide all this for my security purposes only. But of course you'll understand what I know you have understood what you have been teaching you. Then you have to confirm your Payoneer account details, the date of birth, when you were born, and you're done. Recipient bank account added. Account approval usually takes up to 30 minutes. We'll email you when you can start making payment to this recipient, and you are done. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my video channel and share. If you have any question concerning this video or anything to do with affiliate marketing, please do comment on the comment section. Have a great day.